नमस्कार दोस्तों। आज इस वीडियो में आपसे डिस्कस करूंगा एसएससी सीजीएल के एक नए पेपर के बारे में, जो कि जनरल अवेयरनेस के पूरे 25 क्वेश्चन को कवर करेगा। ये पेपर लगभग आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे कि ये पेपर आया था आपका 2020 में 5 मार्च को ये पेपर हुआ था, 1 बजे से 2 बजे के बीच में। ये इसका टीयर 1 का पेपर था। तो आज इस वीडियो में आपसे डिस्कस करूँगा इसके जीएस के सवाल, क्योंकि पिछले कुछ वीडियोस में हमने जीएस की एक सीरीज़ शुरू की है जिसमें पुराने प्रीवियस ईयर एसएससी सीजीएल के पेपर की जो जीएस की जितने क्वेश्चंस होते हैं उसको हम अपने वीडियोस में डिस्कस करते हैं। तो शुरू करते हैं अपने फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन से। पहला क्वेश्चन है, द डैश इन चाइना इज़ द वर्ल्ड लार्जेस्ट मैन मेड वाटरवे। So the answer is Grand Canal. So the Grand Canal in China is the world longest man-made waterway. Second question is, depreciation is the annual allowance for the wear and tear of. Answer is capital goods, because on capital goods itself depreciation is being charged. Third question, the headquarter of the Board of Control for Cricket in India BCCI are located in Mumbai. बहुत आसान सा सवाल है, आपको ये बात पता होगी। Fourth question, Alai Darwaza, the southern gateway of the Quwwatul Islam Mosque in Delhi, was constructed by. आंसर इज अलाउद्दीन खिलजी। ये आपका हिस्ट्री से रिलेटेड सवाल भी इसके अंतर्गत पूछे जाते हैं। फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन, द नेशनल कमीशन फॉर बैकवर्ड क्लासेस NCBC was formed by the insertion of article dash in the Constitution of India. So the article which says the National Commission for Backward Classes is been in the Constitution is the article number 338B. Next question. The Indus Water Treaty was signed between India and Pakistan on 19th of September 1960. The year for these type of treaties are very important as far as you are giving the SSC CGL paper, because it is conceptual based paper. Next question is, dash are the homogeneous mixtures of two or more components. So the answer is solutions. Solutions are the homogeneous mixtures of two or more components. Next, which of the following is not located in Odisha? So the answer is Sonitpur Elephant Reserve. To answer this type of question, you need to know where are all the options is been located. So after that only you will be able to answer for this type of questions. Next question, which of the following is not an ore of iron? So the answer is क्यूप्रिट। आप मुझे कमेंट में बताइएगा कि ये क्यूप्रिट किसका आयरन ओर है। नेक्स्ट इज किसका ओर है, क्यूप्रिट किसका ओर है, आप मुझे इस कमेंट में बताइएगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, द इंडियन आर्मी इज सेट टू कमीशन द फर्स्ट बैच ऑफ वुमेन सोल्जर बाय द ईयर 2021. Next is, India won its dash successful title at the South Asia Football Federation Women's Championship in March 2019. So the answer is fifth. Next is, the Padma Award are announced around रिपब्लिक डे एवरी ईयर। ये तो आपको पता होगा कि भाई पद्म अवार्ड रिपब्लिक डे में अंतर्गत अनाउंस किया जाता है। पार्ट 8th of the Constitution of the India deals with union territories. This is very conceptual question, everybody knows this type of questions. The aggregate value of goods and services produced in an economy can be calculated by three methods: income method, expenditure method, and product method, or we can say value added method. This type of question basically is from economics, so you need to focus the datas, the conceptual part of the economics also. Next is, the excavated remains of dash found near Patna in Bihar was inscribed as a World Heritage Site by UNESCO in July 2016. So the answer is Nalanda Mahavihara. Next is, the total number of images found by the two mirrors inclined at 120 degree to each other is 2. This is a basic question for physics. Next is, which of the following can be used as a catalyst in hydrogenation reaction? So the answer is palladium, the question of chemistry. Next is, a Gadar party was formed in the year 1913. Dates are very important as far as you are reading history. Next is, Dash re-announced his knighthood in protest of Jallianwala Bagh mass killings? So the answer is Rabindranath Tagore. These people play a very important role in this tragedy because this massacre was really a bad one. Next question. Dash is also known as Golden City, Jaisalmer. It's very easy question. Name the first lieutenant governor. Lieutenant governor. Here is not, we can say lieutenant or we can say lieutenant also. So name the first lieutenant governor of Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. So the answer is Girish Chandra Murmu. It's the question for current affairs also. Next is name the first female amputee to climb Mount Everest. So the answer is Arunima Sinha. Next is Dharmraja Yudhishthir, means is gone for Mahabharat. So Dharmraj Yudhishthir, Rath, Bhim Rath, Arjun Rath and Nakul Sahadev Rath are four of the Panch Raths of Mahabalipuram. What is the name of fifth Rath? So the answer is Draupadi Rath. बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन था ये. Next is pernicious anemia is caused by the deficiency of vitamin B12. So the answer for this question is B12. It's comprises of biology question. Biology question इसमें भी पूछे जा रहे हैं और ज़्यादातर आपको conceptual question पूछे जाते हैं. अपने concepts को clear करें. Next is the Hyderabad fund had been held by the dash in the account of High Commissioner of Pakistan to the UK Habib Ibrahim Rahimullah. So the answer is National Westminster Bank. तो ये उस समय का जीएस का सवाल था, उस समय के करंट अफेयर्स का सवाल था. क्या पता आज के समय में आपको कुछ और करंट अफेयर्स के सवाल देते, लेकिन पिछले सवालों को भी समझना और पढ़ना काफ़ी ज़्यादा महत्वपूर्ण हो जाता है. तो ये रहे आपके एसएससी सीजीएल जीएस के 25 क्वेश्चन के सेट जो इस वीडियो मैंने आपको बताए विद प्रूफ विद इट्स आंसर. तो अगर आपको किसी भी क्वेश्चन में डाउट है कमेंट में लिखिए और आने वाले वीडियो में भी आपको इसी प्रकार के वीडियोस मिलते रहेंगे. तब तक के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें और वीडियो को शेयर करना न भूलें. धन्यवाद.